Hello my friends, today in this video, we will make a simple inverter driver circuit, which will drive this heavy transformer to make powerful inverter, which can drive both resistive and inductive loads. For that, you first need good size of aluminum heatsink for the heat dissipation. Take few Z44N MOSFETs, and place these on the heatsink. Use bolts to secure MOSFETs at its place. Bend the middle pins upwards. Now pre-solder all pins of MOSFETs. Take one N4007 diodes, and solder between pin 1 and 3 of each MOSFET. Take 220 ohms resistors, and solder with pin 1 gate of each MOSFET. Solder all gate resistors together. Connect all MOSFET source pin 3 together. Now our one side MOSFET circuit is complete, and we need another one, so here is the same circuit to make a pair. Now we need a 12-0-12 step-down transformer, with 5 to 10 amperes of rating. And there are 3 wires of secondary winding. Connect side 2 wires with each heatsink. And now we need the MOSFET driver. For that I first designed the simple circuit diagram using CD4047, which give 2 signal outputs, and can be operated with 12-volt DC. Also with this potentiometer, output frequency can be adjusted. Then I converted circuit diagram into the PCB, to avoid messing up components on the pref board. And the PCB is going to be look like this. In order to manufacture this PCB, go to the video description, and with this link, sign up on JLC PCB website. JLC PCB provides easy, affordable, and reliable PCB and PCBA solutions, empowering electronic engineers to develop projects efficiently. Just upload your GUBBR file here. To get instant quote and order in minutes, it is easy as online shopping. After uploading, you can see the preview of the PCB. JLC PCB offers the 6-layer PCB in affordable prices and with attractive cost-effective discounts. A 6-layer PCB has additional 2 layers compared to the standard 4-layer PCB. The stacking technique reduces the electromagnetic interference and improves the performances of the electronics. Not only this, JLC PCB offers free wire-in pads to optimize routing efficiency, with cost-effective prices without compromising on quality, and delivers in fast turnaround time. Within some days I got my PCBs delivered, and the quality of the PCBs is amazing. Now let's prepare the PCB for the components. Place all the components according to the circuit diagram. You can download both circuit diagram and PCB files, link is in video description. Now our PCB is ready and looks nice and clean. Install the CD4017 IC into the IC base. I used the mini oscilloscope to adjust the output frequency of this driver module. Connect 12-volt DC on input. As you can see, the current output frequency is about 78 Hz. So by adjusting this potentiometer to anti-clockwise, set frequency to 50 Hz. Now let's connect this driver with MOSFET's assembly. Connect driver negative with MOSFET source pins. Connect driver positive with transformer's center taped wire. And connect driver outputs to gate resistors of MOSFETs. If you enjoyed the video, give a thumbs up. For more useful videos, subscribe the channel. Also check out these recommended videos. Thanks for watching.